Hi, and welcome to another video review by Aries0083 for the Gundam cast. It'll probably be on both channels, but hey, enjoy. One of the first 1/100 kits that I built from 00 was the Astrea Type F, which offered a lot of custom possibilities. Like, I added the antenna, which is with this mask. It should be this antenna, like the one that the Astrea has, the little antenna. The Type F has a mask, and you could kind of build the Astrea Type F into something that looks kind of like the Exia, because you, with both of these kits, you get the top part of the Exia's head, and you also get the front part and the GN drive in the back. But since these guys were the prototype for the Exia, they don't have GN drives in the back. But this review isn't about the Astrea Type F, which I've already done a review of. It's about the regular Astrea. I mean. Alright, so this kit, this mobile suit's piloted by Ruido Resonance. It's before Exia's time. It's a prototype for the Exia. Articulation is as follows. We'll take a look also at the design along with the articulation. I like the bunny ears on this Gundam. The first time I saw it was in an issue of Dengeki Hobby. And just the back design I don't like it that much, but it's pretty cool. I do like these extra parts on the chest. And since this Gundam's all white, I think I'm gonna have to panel line it so that details pop. With the Astrea Type F and this one, you're supposed to get like a mechanical detail, which on this kit you could show it off on the shoulders if it wants me to. Sorry. So there's like a couple of panels in here that you could paint and stuff and make it look more realistic. Articulation is standard for this kit, just like with any other Gundam. Spada from TFY said he got tired of building Gundams because they were all the same except for the design. But hey, his loss. The arms can move forward like that and back, and go all the way around. Same-o. Articulation here. The elbow, and he bends up to here just like the Exia. Because of these antenna, these wings here, they're not like the Exia or the Dynamis where they could go down. They're one big plastic piece, so you're not going to get a lot of articulation out of the head. You do get the chicken, and that's about it for the upper torso. Then you get the lower torso. This piece is for the upper torso. Skirt armor moves up like that. The legs can bend up like this and like that, just like the Exia. The beam sabers in the back only can move up and down like this. Because of the design, they can't come up and down like with the Exia. They're stuck like that. And also on the top of the leg there's a joint here. Alright, so let's take a look at the Astrea's weapons. Let's put them together. The weapons that come with this Astrea are the same as the ones that come with the Type F, but they're in a different color. I prefer the white and blue to the red and brown. So, voila, Ziploc bag of goodness. You get the bazooka, which you can show off its internal parts by taking off the front. And it, just like with the Astrea Type F, it clips into there. Comes out. This comes out like that. Right. Whoa. Alright. So this bends like that, so you could store the bazooka on the front part of the mobile suit, which is kind of weird. It reminds me of kids when they wear their book bags on the front. You get 2 extra open hands. I don't think the Astrea Type F came with them. I think it only came with one. Jazz hands. You get the shield, which it kind of reminds me of the Natalie's shield. Maybe it's the same design. Then you get this sword weapon, which is like the GN sword. Comes out like that. It has a handle here. There's a handle here. It comes out when it wants to. And you can mount this on the arm by taking this part apart. There you go. Mounted. You can hardly see it. Then you get 2 little beam daggers. You know, you have to add them to the handle to make the beam saber beam dagger. And get this piece. All of the 00 kits come with this, so you could put it on a Bandai stand. Get 2 long beam sabers and this beam rifle, which is pretty cool. This moves like that. This plugs into the upper arm. And you could also show off the internal design of this kit. I'm thinking maybe if I had more time, I'll use my silver Sharpie and gold and highlight the parts inside. So that's it for the Astrea. Let me bring them into focus. I like the design of this kit. I'm sure that in the future we'll probably get a Master Grade Astrea based on the Master Grade Exia. Usually this kit comes with a Gundam War card, a free Gundam War card. Mine's didn't. But mine's did cost about $31 in Chinatown. I've seen this kit for more, for maybe 40. I guess maybe it's because of the trading card that's included. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see ya next time.